In React, how does your JSX decide when to show up on the screen or stay hidden? Rendering means React decides what UI to show. It reads your components and state and turns the JSX into real HTML elements on the page. For example, when you call root render with a heading, React creates that element and tells the browser to display the hello world text on the screen. Conditional rendering means React shows or hides parts of the UI depending on a condition, like a Boolean value, the current state, or the props you pass in. In React, you can use a simple if-else statement to control what appears on the screen. For example, if isLoggedIn is true, React will render the welcome component. But if it's false, it will render the login component instead. This way, only one of them is shown at any moment, depending on the user's current state. It's an easy and clear way to switch between different pieces of UI. You'll often see a ternary operator used for conditional rendering in React. It lets you choose between two outputs in a single line. For example, if isLoggedIn is true, the button will display the text logout, but if it's false, the same line of code will show login instead. This makes the UI switch quickly and keeps your code short and easy to read. With the logical AND operator, React renders something only when the condition on the left is true. It's a simple way to show optional UI. For example, if you write iserror p-tag error, React will display that message only when iserror is actually true. If the condition is false, React simply ignores the element. This makes it perfect for showing alerts, warnings, any small piece of UI that should appear only when needed. So, rendering decides what React shows, and conditional rendering decides when it appears. If you want more React topics in simple English, make sure to follow and save this video.